Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell.
So our topic for today is about articles in English. We have a, an, and the. So this topic is about the guidelines of how to use articles in our sentence. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let us know first what is the definition of article. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or general. Article has two types, which is definite and indefinite articles. So we have three articles in English. These are a, an, and the. Let us look into the definite article first. The definite article the is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. Definite article used before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific or particular. So let us talk about the guidelines of definite article. The definite article the is used to talk about a particular person or thing. For example, the cat, the apple, and the book. The definite article the is also used to talk about a person or thing that has already been referred to in the first sentence. For example, a boy in section A1 is my childhood friend. The boy was my crush. The definite article the used before a singular noun meant to represent the whole class. Example, the cat is a lovely animal. 2. A carrot is a healthy vegetable. 3. An apple is a nutritious fruit. The definite article the used before the names of certain books. For examples, The Lord of the Rings, The Undead and Unwed, The Chosen Prey. The definite article the is used before superlative adjectives. For example, my friend is the prettiest girl in our classroom. Honey is the sweetest food I've tasted. I am the smartest kid in quiz B. Definite article the used before ordinal numbers like first, second, and third. Examples, Neil Armstrong is the first man who walked on the moon. The first video that I made is about idioms. The definite article the used before musical instruments. For example, she can play the guitar. He can play the piano. After we talked about the definite article, let us talk about the indefinite article, which are a and an. The article a and an with singular nouns used when the listener or reader does not know exactly which one we are referring to. Take note, we do not use an indefinite article with plural nouns or uncount nouns. We only use a or an article with singular nouns. Here are the examples of indefinite article a house, a computer, a farmer, a teacher, a rat, a cat. Here are the examples of indefinite article an egg, an eagle, an eye, an umbrella. Thank you for watching my second video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.